n is equal to 2n plus 5. Based on what we saw in the previous session, what does this tell us? This is the definition of a sequence called P. With this definition given, we are asked for the sequence. To find the sequence or the pattern, we just need to find the first few terms. The first term would be P1. We simply substitute 1 in place of n and get 2 times 1 plus 5. That equals 7. 7 is the first term of the sequence. Maybe some of you are wondering as to why we did not start with a 0 in place of n. That's because every sequence has a first term, not a 0th term. So n will always begin with a 1. Okay, what will be the second term, P2? It will equal 2 times 2 plus 5. That will equal 9. It is the second term of the sequence. And what will be P3? It will equal 2 times 3 plus 5, which equals 11. So the sequence will be 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. That was easy, right? Observe the sequence well. The difference between the first two consecutive terms is 2. The difference between the next two consecutive terms is also 2. And the difference remains 2 forever. It's called the common difference D. And do you know that the common difference is always the coefficient of n? Here it's 2. If it's 3n, then the common difference would have been 3. If 4n, then the common difference would have been 4. Now given the sequence, can we define the rule? In the next example, we are given the sequence and have been asked to define the rule. To define the rule, we can just use the formula we saw for the nth term of the sequence. It is the first term plus n minus 1 times d. D is the common difference. The first term is 8 and the common difference is 3. We get the nth term as 8 plus n minus 1 times 3. Solving this gives us 3n plus 5. So we can name the sequence A and define it as an equals 3n plus 5. This is the definition of the above sequence. We must always verify it by confirming that the coefficient of n is the common difference. Sometimes in a sequence, the difference between every two consecutive terms may not be the same. So this formula will not work. This case of a sequence where the difference between any two consecutive terms always remains constant is called the arithmetic progression. But what is the other type? In the next few videos of this course, you will find the other type of sequence which exists.